Hello Year 4, what we're going to look at today is how to use diagrams to show equivalent fractions. And in Southwark class, there's kind of a diagram here. So this one shows all the equivalent fractions for a whole. So there's one whole, that's the same as 2 halves. That's the same as 4 quarters. And that's also the same as 10 tenths. So those are all equivalent fractions to each other. And we can show that by writing 1. So 1 whole is equal to 2 halves, which is equal to 4 quarters, which is equal to 10 tenths. So all those fractions are equivalent to each other. They all mean the same thing. All of these fractions are the same as a whole. And all of these fractions are the same as a half. So a half is the same as 2 quarters, is the same as 3/6, and is the same as 4/8. And as you can see by the diagrams I've drawn, half, 1 out of 2, 2 quarters, 2 out of 4 pieces, 3/6, 3 out of 6 pieces, and 4 out of 8 pieces altogether are all exactly the same fraction. This is just smaller pieces, but if you had 4/8 of a cake or half of the cake, you'd be having the same thing. Just one's cut into 2 and one's cut into 8. Your challenge now is to create your own equivalent fractions diagrams. Unlike me, try and use a ruler and try and make it very colourful and very exciting, and try and show lots of different ways to show equivalent fractions. So you could do equivalent fractions of a whole, equivalent fractions of a half, equivalent fractions of a quarter, and equivalent fractions of a third. Enjoy!